Did you know that Himalayan salt comes from the ancient Khewra Salt Mine in Pakistan? It all begins deep underground, where this pristine pink salt is carefully extracted. The raw salt then travels to a specialised facility, where it's meticulously cleaned and inspected. Next, it moves to precision machines that expertly cut the salt into beautiful slabs. These Himalayan salt slabs are perfect for cooking and serving, infusing your food with a unique flavour and essential minerals. From mine to kitchen, every slab tells a story of purity and craftsmanship, bringing natural goodness to your table. Cooking on Himalayan salt slabs is a delightful experience. Imagine grilling fresh vegetables or juicy steaks on a sizzling salt block, infusing them with a subtle, savoury flavour. Not only is it fun and visually stunning, but it also adds trace minerals like magnesium and potassium to your food. Plus, the even heat distribution ensures perfect cooking every time. From grilling to serving chilled desserts, Himalayan salt slabs make every meal healthy, tasty, and unforgettable.